Hello everyone. Today is the day second of non-nursing series and today's topic is first women ministers. So the first question is, who was the first woman to become a union minister in independent India? Options are option A Sarojini Naidu, option B Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, option C Sucheta Kriplani, option D Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. So the correct answer is option B Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Question second, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur was the first woman union minister of option A education, option B health, option C defense, option D finance. So the correct answer is option B health. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur served as a first woman union minister and first woman health minister of independent India. So the third question is, who was the first woman chief minister of Indian state? Options are option A Indira Gandhi, option B Sarojini Naidu, option C Sucheta Kriplani, option D Jayalalitha. So the correct answer is option C Sucheta Kriplani. Question number 4. Sucheta Kriplani became chief minister of which state? Options are option A Bihar, option B UP, option C West Bengal, option D Maharashtra. So the correct answer is option B UP. So Cheta Kriplani became first chief minister of India in UP in 1963. Question number 5. Who was the first woman prime minister of India? Options are option A Sarojini Naidu, option B Sucheta Kriplani, option C Sushma Swaraj, option D Indira Gandhi. So the correct answer is option D Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi became first woman prime minister in 1966. Question number 6. Indira Gandhi was the first woman to hold which portfolio as a union cabinet ministers? So the options are option A defense, option B information and broadcasting, option C finance, option D home affairs. So the correct answer is option B information and broadcasting. Indira Gandhi served as a Ministry of Information and Broadcasting before becoming PM. Question number 7. Who was the first woman defense minister of India? Options are option A Nirmala Sitharaman, option B Smriti Irani, option C Indira Gandhi, option D Pratibha Patil. So the correct answer is option C Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi held the defense portfolio in 1975 to 77. Question number 8. Who was the first full time woman defense minister of India? So, full time defense minister कौन था? Options are option A Indira Gandhi, option B Sonia Gandhi, option C Nirmala Sitharaman, option D Sushma Swaraj. So the correct answer is option C Nirmala Sitharaman. Nirmala Sitharaman was the first full time defense minister of India. Question number 9. Who was the first woman finance minister of India? Options are option A Indira Gandhi, option B Nirmala Sitharaman, option C Sonia Gandhi, option D आई थिंक ऑप्शन डी भी सेम है इसलिए आप सुषमा स्वराज को ऑप्शन डी में रखना एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए इंदिरा गांधी. Indira Gandhi held a finance portfolio in 1970 to 71. इन्होंने पोर्टफोलियो अरेंज किया था लेकिन फुल टाइम वुमेन फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर नहीं थे. सो क्वेश्चन 10 इज हु वाज द फर्स्ट फुल टाइम वुमेन फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया? ऑप्शंस आर ऑप्शन ए इंदिरा गांधी, ऑप्शन बी सुषमा स्वराज, ऑप्शन सी निर्मला सीतारमन, ऑप्शन डी ममता बनर्जी. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी निर्मला सीतारमन. Nirmala Sitharaman in 2019 first full-time woman finance minister of India. Question 11. Who was the first woman external affairs minister of India? Options are option A Indira Gandhi, option B Sushma Swaraj, option C Nirmala Sitharaman, option D Meera Kumar. So the correct answer is Sushma Swaraj. Sushma Swaraj served as a external affairs minister from 2014 to 2019. Question number 12. Who was the first woman railway minister of India? Options are option A Mamta Banerjee, option B Sushma Swaraj, option C Nirmala Sitharaman, option D Indira Gandhi. So the correct answer is option A Mamta Banerjee. Mamta Banerjee first woman railway minister in 2000. क्वेश्चन 13, हु वाज द फर्स्ट वुमेन स्पीकर ऑफ लोकसभा? ये क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसलिए इसको अच्छे से कहीं पे लिख लेना। ऑप्शंस आर, ऑप्शन ए सुषमा स्वराज, ऑप्शन बी सोनिया गांधी, ऑप्शन सी सुमित्रा महाजन, ऑप्शन डी मीरा कुमार। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी मीरा कुमार, फर्स्ट लोकसभा स्पीकर इन 2009। Question 14, who was the first woman president of India? Options are option A Draupadi Murmu, option B Pratibha Patil, option C Indira Gandhi, option D Sarojini Naidu. So the correct answer is option B Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. Pratibha Devi Singh Patil, first woman president of India in 2007. क्वेश्चन 15 PYQ है, पूछा गया था नॉर्सेट 9 या 8 में। So the question is, who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? Options are option A Sucheta Kripalani, option B Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, option C Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, option D Sarojini Naidu. So the correct answer is option D Sarojini Naidu. She became a governor of United Provinces in UP 1947. आज के क्वेश्चन आपको कैसे लगे कमेंट करके बताना, और जिसने भी अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है सब्सक्राइब करते जाना। ऑल द बेस्ट।